Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Oracle SQL Developer in your system. So that is totally free of cost. You just need to follow the below steps which I will mention in this video. So stay tuned and watch the full video. So you just have to copy this link one by one. Just copy this link and paste it in your browser. Just hit enter. This page will open. So what you have to do is you just have to click on download anyway, then download will start. So let download complete. So this download is started. So once this download complete, you have to go to the download page. So here I have already downloaded this. So Oracle XC 112, this file is downloaded. So you have to go to this and open it, and you have to click on this setup. So just double click on this and the setup will start. So you just have to click next, click on yes, and this installation will start. So I have already installed it. I'm just showing you guys how to install this. So I have already installed, so I can remove this or repair it or reinstall it. So just I'm click if in your system if Oracle is not already installed, so then this will not ask you. So you just click on next. I will just repair my existing one. So I'll click on next. So installation start. So this is how you can install the first step of installation of Oracle database. So let this installation complete. So this is completed. This is how you can complete the first step of setup. Once this completed, just click on finish, and then you have to go to the second link. So these two links I will provide in description. So just click on copy this link and go to your browser, paste it in your browser, just hit enter. Open the first link that here, and you just have to click on free download, close this. So this page will open. So you can just click on start download. So download is started. So I have already installed this two links. So once you have to wait for this download. Once this download complete, I have already downloaded this, so I will not download it again. So you can just wait until it's download is completed. So I have already downloaded this. Once that download is completed, one file is created in your download folder. So you can go in your downloads and you can have this file SQL Developer. Just open it. So SQL Developer is here. So you can just double click on this. So this is opening. You have to create one user and schema for your database. So I'll show you that how you can create a user and database for your database, user and schema for your database. So I have some already, some users are here. So what I'll do is, for your understanding, I'll create one database and one user here. So what I'll do is just go to SQL Developer prompt, this run SQL command line. You have to just search SQL in your Windows search, and you will find this run SQL command line. Just click on this. So here you have to type connect in small letter, connect. It will ask you for the username, so you can give username as system, s s t e m, system, then enter. It will ask you for the password. You will give the same password here, like system, same as username, so in small letters, system. So password will not show here. Yeah, you just have to type and press hit enter. So password will expire. So my password is when it is about to expire in 7 minutes, but it is connected. You can see here it is connected. So you have to create one user. So what I'll do is I'll create one user. Once this is connected, you have to create one user for your database. So I'll create one. I have already created one. I'll just show you how to create a user for your database. So what you have to do is you have to run a query like create user HR identified by HR. Give semicolon here and just run this query. So I have already created my user with HR name, so this query will not run in my system, but you can just run this query as it is. So this is your username and this will be your password for that username. HR is your password for that username. So you have to just click enter. So see here I have already created one user with HR name, so this will not create any other user with same name in my system, but you can just run this query in your system, so your user will be created. Once that user you will find here, so user is created. So once that user is created, you have to go to in your Oracle and you have to click on this plus icon here. So you can name it as HR. In username you have to give it the same name HR which you have given here. HR, this is your username, and the password for that user is HR. So you have to provide the same credentials here. So password will be HR. So just click on test first. So test is successes. Once test is successful, you can click on save, and I have already saved it, so I will not save it again. I'll just click on save. You can just save password and save the user. So once you click on save here and click on connect, you will find that here HR. So I'll click on connect. So you will find that here. So you can just right click on here and open SQL worksheet. It will ask you a password if you are connecting first time, so you can give the same password. So password for your user database is HR. So whatever you give here, identified by in the here, this will be your password and this will be your database name. So you can see my database is working here. It is connected. I can write a query here. Select 1 2 3 4 from dual or whatever the tables. I can create here tables, create table, or whatever I want to do is I can create here. You will find all the created table under this table section. So you will see all the tables here. So this is how you can install the Oracle SQL Developer in your system. So you can try this in your system. If you need any help, you can just comment below. I will provide a proper solution to install the Oracle SQL Developer in your system. Thank you.